How to permanently delete WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your WhatsApp. Here we go. You will land to the chat section. Now head towards the group that you want to permanently delete. Just open the conversation. At the very top, you'll find the group name. Tap on it. Scroll down. You'll see this section for participants. Now firstly, what you have to do is remove the members from the group. So tap on the group member. Tap on remove from group. Tap on remove. Do the same and remove all the members from the group. After you remove all the participants from the group, you will see the option of exit group. Tap on it. Tap on exit group. You can head back. Now long press on the group and then tap on delete group. Tap on delete group again. And now you are good to go. Group has been deleted. So this is how you can permanently delete WhatsApp group. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.